Hello and Grüß Gott. Today I'm going to install some LSL handlebar risers on my 2011 Suzuki GSX1250FA. I bought some of their sliders for my other bike, which is the same bike, and was very impressed with the quality and the engineering, so I decided to order some of these and try them on this one. This bike I'm setting up more for touring. It has all the luggage on it. The other one's purely for sport. It just has some sliders on it. That's the only addition it has. So this one, when I get done, is going to have some sliders, some bar risers. I've just put some Touratech hand guards on, and it'll have a few other odds and ends. I'm going to put a Vario windscreen up here over the next few weeks. And so anyway, today's project is to put these risers on. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring to your attention that there's a dot right here on the handlebar clamp. Those dots have to face forward. And these are TUV approved risers, so we want to make sure we do it exactly correct. So I'm going to pull these little chrome plugs out, take out the Allen screws that go in here and secure this in place, and then I'm going to put the risers in place and put the correct length screws on, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. Okay, to remove these little chrome buttons that go over here on the Allens, I just slipped a razor blade and went around it very, very carefully. Took my fingernails and popped it out. So I've gotten that out. So before I go any further on this, I'm going to mark with a marker where this is located, so if the handlebar gets moved, I can get it back to the same relative position. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to loosen these bolts. And now, according to what I read on the internet, these are torqued to 23 Newton meters. So I'm going to use my old torque wrench that can read both directions and see if I can get an idea of what they are torqued to. Yeah, broke loose at about 23. So I'm going to go ahead and take them loose and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken off just one clamp, left the other one on for just a moment, and I want to see how far these bolts extend. So it looks to me like they extend 15 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is put one of these with this, even though it goes on the other side actually. But I'm going to put it with it and try different bolt sizes until I get one that's 15 millimeters in length. It came with several different sizes in the kit, so we're going to do that and I'll be right back. All right, my kit came with two different bolt sizes. So I've chosen the shorter size. I need 4 of them, so they're all here. And just to be sure it wasn't going to bottom out too early, I went ahead and put it in here so I could measure it against this, and it should easily have plenty of room to go in there and tighten up. So I wanted to do that first. So now I'll go ahead and loosen the other side and I'll put the risers on. They'll be actually like this, and then we'll attach the handlebars and we'll see how that works out. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've put the risers on and they're not even really snug yet. Made sure my alignment marks are all set. So that's good. Sat on it to make sure that it's in the right position as much as possible. I've checked the play of all the cables. Everything seems fine with this small of a riser. So now I'm going to start to snug it up. Torque spec I read is 23 Newton meters. To me that seems high, although they were on there very tight. So I'm probably going to start out just torquing them to like 12 Newton meters and see how it feels. And if it's nice and tight, I may just leave it that way. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've set my torque wrench to 12 Newton meters because that's where I'm going to start at. What I've done is I've snugged these up and I want to tighten up in a pattern crisscross and snug them up a little bit at a time till I get to like 12 Newton meters of torque, and then I'll see how it feels. I did write to LSL and ask them what the torque spec is, so hopefully they'll answer me back with the correct torque spec. So there's 12 right there. It probably really is 23, but we'll check it and I'll put something in the comment section. So thanks for watching.